Accept that 32 is still young for a career change. 2. Let go of fear. Your experience is an advantage, not a burden. 3. Define what success truly means to you now. 4. Don't compare your timeline to others. 5. Embrace lifelong learning. Be a beginner again. 6. Believe in transferable skills. You already have value. 7. Be patient. Transitions take time. 8. Focus on growth, not perfection. 9. Build a positive daily routine to stay consistent. 10. Celebrate small wins along the way. 11. Identify your strengths and interests honestly. 12. Take personality or career assessment tests. 13. Make a list of industries that excite you. 14. Research job trends. Focus on growing fields, tech, health, digital, etc. 15. Define your new career goals in writing. 16. Ask, where do my passions and market needs meet? 17. Talk to professionals in your target field. 18. Attend webinars or meetups for your new industry. 19. Shadow someone doing the job you want. 20. Build a clear transition roadmap. 6-12 months plan. 21. Take online courses. Coursera, Udemy, LinkedIn Learning. 22. Learn one high-income skill. For example, coding, design, marketing, copywriting. 23. Get certifications relevant to your new field. 24. Practice daily, small, consistent learning beats perfection. 25. Create small personal projects to test your skills. 26. Volunteer or freelance to gain experience. 27. Build a strong digital portfolio or LinkedIn profile. 28. Learn basic communication and presentation skills. 29. Join online communities related to your new career. 30. Stay updated with the latest industry news. 31. Reconnect with old colleagues and friends. 32. Ask for career advice from experienced professionals. 33. Join LinkedIn groups in your target field. 34. Follow top voices and influencers in that industry. 35. Attend local or online networking events. 36. Find a mentor who has made a similar transition. 37. Offer value first. Don't only ask for help. 38. Be visible. Share your learning journey online. Trent Neff. Build authentic relationships, not just contacts. 40. Stay humble and open to feedback. 41. Start a side hustle while keeping your current job. 42. Save at least 3-6 months of expenses before fully switching. 43. Create a professional resume for your new industry. 44. Prepare to take entry-level or mid-level positions if needed. 45. Be ready to explain your career change story confidently. 46. Keep learning even after landing the new job. 47. Build disciplined success. Favors consistency. 48. Track progress every month. 49. Stay flexible. Adapt as you learn more. 50. Remember, changing your career isn't starting over, it's starting wiser.